We are pleased to show you the 2020 Ioniq. The Hyundai Ioniq is available in 3 different electric versions. It's loaded with interior features, and the exterior will amaze you with its advanced design and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system. Come take a test drive today.